Hello children, very good morning to everyone. How are you dear children? All good? Say yes teacher. Happy to see me. I am so happy to see you all. Yes? Okay. Are you ready children for today's lesson? Let us see what I have for you today. We are going to do lesson number 5. Lesson number 5, the dog. Now this is from your English book, The Radiant Way. You all have this book children? Yes? Okay. Be ready with your book. Okay? Don't open. Just be ready with your book. English book, The Radiant Way. Okay? Now, as usual children, now you already know how we do the lesson. Yes? What teacher takes first? Phonic words. Isn't it? Okay. So let us start with the first phonic word. Now what we have here? OG words. Now repeat after me children. Yes? Dog, fog, jog, log. Very good. I was able to hear everyone. You all are repeating after the teacher. Very good. Okay, next we have the IP words. Repeat children. Dip, lip, sip, tip, zip. Yes, very good. These were IP words. Next, AN words. Repeat after me. Can, fan, man, pan, ran, tan, van. AN words. Okay? Very good. Next, AT words. Repeat after me, dear children. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, pat, rat, sat. Okay? Next, IT words. Bit, fit, hit, kit, lit, pit, sit. Okay? Now what is the last word? Sit. Sit down quietly. Concentrate. Listen to the teacher. Fold your hands. Very good. Now next let us see new words. Okay? You are going to repeat after me. Shall we start? Say yes teacher. Okay, very good. See. S-E-E. See. S-E-E. See. Next we have the. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. You. Y-O-U. You. Y-O-U. You. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. On. O-N. On. O-N. On. Him. H-I-M. Him. H-I-M. Him. Children, repeat after the teacher. If. I-F. If. I-F. If. Next we have to. T-O. To. T-O. To. has, H-A-S, has, H-A-S, has. She, S-H-E, she, S-H-E, she. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. For, F-O-R, for, F-O-R, for. It, I-T, it, I-T, it. Into, I-N-T-O, into, I-N-T-O, into. Okay, children, these were the new words. Shall we have a quick revision of these new words? Okay, let us start. See, the, you, and, on, him, if, to, has, she, mother, for, it, into. Okay, very good. Clap for yourself. Very nice, very good, children. Okay, next we have make sentences. Now what does this mean, children? A word will be given to you. You have to use that word in a sentence. Okay? You can frame your own sentences, short sentences. Okay, children? Now let us see the first word. See. We see with our eyes. See. Yes? Okay. I can see many pretty flowers. Now this sentence teacher has made. You can make your own sentence. Okay? Like I can see a bird flying. Yes? Okay. Will you try to make sentences? Yes? Very good. Next word. Pan. Now this is a dosa pan. Mama makes dosa for you on a pan. Yes? Okay. Pat put the pan in the sink. Pat put the pan in the sink. Now these are the two words given to you to frame sentences. Okay? Very good. Very good, children. Next. Now tell me, who is this? Who is this, children? Mother. Mother. So we are going to see who are there in the lesson. Okay? We will see mother is there in the lesson. Now she is a mother. Now tell me, children, who is she? You already know who is she? Anne. Anne. Okay, next. Who is he? He is Sam. He is Sam. Next. Dog. Now the lesson is the dog. So naturally we will have a dog in the lesson, isn't it? Now what is he? He is a dog. Next, this is pan. Pan for the dog to eat food. Pan. Okay, this is pan. P-A-N, pan. So here we have mother, Anne, Sam, dog, pan in the lesson. Okay. So what we are going to do now? Let us look at the lesson. Lesson number 5, the dog. Listen to the teacher. First you will only listen. Fold your hands, sit straight and listen. Concentrate on each and every word. Okay? Very good. Sam. Sam see the dog. Sit on him if you can. Sam sat on the dog, and the dog ran to Anne. Anne has a pan. She ran to mother for it. See Anne tip the pan for the dog. See the dog dip into the pan. Now this was the lesson. Now let me explain it to you. Now Anne is telling, Sam, Sam, see the dog. And then she is telling, sit on him if you can. Anne is asking Sam to sit on the dog. So what did Sam do? Sam sat on the dog. And the dog ran to Anne. Anne has a pan. Now Anne ran to mother for it. Now what did she do? She tipped the pan for the dog. See the dog dip into the pan. Okay? Let us see one more time. Sam, Sam, see the dog. Sit on him if you can. Sam sat on the dog and the dog ran to Anne. Anne has a pan. She ran to mother for it. See Anne tip the pan for the dog. See the dog dip into the pan. Okay? Very good, children. Very small and simple lesson, isn't it? Okay. Next. Now while we were reading the lesson, children, you could have seen some marks there in the lesson. Yes? Those are called punctuations. Those are called punctuations. Punctuations means they are marks, okay, which are used while writing English. Okay. Now the first mark what we saw was this, isn't it? Now what is this? This is a comma. What is this? This is a comma. Now what does comma mean? It divides the sentence. Okay. And when you see a comma, you pause a little. While you are reading the sentence, you pause a little. Pause means stop for a little while. You pause a little. Okay. Next what we saw? Question mark. Now this question mark was not there in the lesson, but we are going to use it later. You will see when. Okay. This is a question mark. Now what is this? Full stop. This is full stop. Now this is a mark which is called full stop. Full stop means the end of the sentence. Okay. And then a new sentence starts. So when you're writing a sentence, when you complete the sentence, you put a full stop. That is while writing. And while you're reading, you will stop there. You will stop for a while and then start a new sentence. Okay. So, comma, pause a little, question mark, full stop is stop for a while. Okay, children? Okay, very good. Next. Now, this was the lesson which teacher did now. Can you see the picture here? Yes. Now, tell me who is she? She is Anne. And he is Sam. This is the dog. And see the pan here? Pan here. Yes, can you see? Okay. What is Anne doing? Anne, what did she do? Tip the pan for the dog, isn't it? And then the dog dip into the pan. Can you see the dog dip into the pan? Yes? Okay. Very good. Now here, what do we have? Fill in the blanks. Now in the last lesson also children, I had explained what you have to do. Yes, a blank will be given. You have to write a word in that blank. Read the sentence, understand the sentence and then write a word in the blank. Now what is the first fill in the blank we have? Okay. You read the lesson? Yes? So it will be easy for you to answer this. See the dog dash into the pan. What is the answer? Dip. See the dog dip into the pan. So you will write the word dip in the blank. Okay? Next, Sam sat on the dash. Tell me this children, you know this answer. What word you are going to write? Dog. Very good. Sam sat on the dog. So we have here two fill in the blanks for you. Next, what do we have? Answer the following. Now here, who sat on the dog? Now see that mark here? It is a question mark. I said you previously, right? We will see where we are going to use this. This is a question mark. You are asking a question. Who sat on the dog? Now answer me children. What is the answer? Yes? Tell me. Everybody tell me the answer. Okay, very good. Sam sat on the dog. Okay. So this was answer the following. Who sat on the dog? Sam sat on the dog. Okay. Next. Now we have finished the lesson. What we are going to do in this lesson? We will learn the phonic words. Yes. New words. Make sentences. Read the lesson. Fill in the blanks and answer the following. Okay children, these are the things we are going to do related to this lesson. Okay children, I hope you have all followed the lesson. Yes or no? Say yes teacher. I can't hear you. Yes teacher. Okay. Bye children and thank you and we miss you. Bye so much. Take care of yourself and see you very soon. Bye.